Welcome to Research Rocks. How to get hiring manager email address or contact number with the help of ContactOut. This platform are helping you to find out any person contact detail, where is available, what is the process, and how we can get very easily contact detail on hiring manager. Let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, you just simply open here Google and enter here ContactOut. Click. I already added this link in video description. Email finder by ContactOut email lookup. Here the Chrome extension is available. Just simply click here and boom, ContactOut unlock the world most accurate contact data. If I type here for example my name Sangram Singh and enter, so my detail is displaying here, even the email address and mobile number as well. If you type here any person number like a Monica Mal, enter. So boom, exact email address and contact detail we are receiving here. If I type here Japal Singh, Kaite, enter. So exact correct detail we are receiving here, the specific person and information related. And if I type here John, enter. Boom. So his name, Danish Technology Institute, even the email address we are receiving here, the specific extension and the company email address. The another one we are receiving here, the mobile number as well, and receiving email address as well. Very easily, ContactOut is one of the best platform. You simply reach out here and create your own account. I already added the link in video description. Here different products are available. If you want purchase the premium subscription, so here prices, if you want get premium subscription, prices are available here. Which one suitable, accordingly you should decide. But every day you are receiving 5 email, 5 phone number and 5 export. So using this platform you can very easily find out any recruiter contact number. ContactOut, one of the best and amazing platform. Using this platform you can very easily find out hiring manager, director, CEO or recruiter contact details and reach out them very easily. If you have any question related on this platform, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.